students, today we will discuss about basic concepts of geometry. First, that is point. Point, it is a dot which is represented by capital letter. Let us suppose it is A. It shows location. Point shows location. It has no length, no breadth, no thickness, or in short you can say it has no size. So that will be point. Now come to the next, that is line. Line, a straight path extends on two opposite directions without end. Let us suppose A and B are 2 points. A and B are 2 points. So it is known as line segment AB. If we extend it in B, direction of B, then it can be represented by AB, this. AB, it means it is extended to infinity in the direction of B. If we again extend it up to infinity in the direction of A, then it will be line AB. AB line, you will mark, it can be extended in both the directions without end. Contains infinite points, or in short it can be written by L. You can say line L also. Line L. AB, that is line segment, we extend in both the directions, that is in up to infinity, so that will be AB line, or in short you can say line L also. Now come to the third point, plane. A plane is a surface such that if any 2 points taken on it, the line segment joining them lies completely on the surface. Let us suppose we have 2 points A, B, and C is another point here, then it will be your plane. Can be written plane A, B, C. Or if you mark any point, any letter P, let us suppose P, you can write plane P also. Plane P. If we mark another 3 points in such a way, A, B, C, this time we can't say plane ABC. Plane ABC, that will be wrong, because this time all 3 points lie on a line. All 3 points on a line, then it is not a plane. If we mark another point D, this time plane ABD, that will be your right plane, or you can say plane ACD, it is also a plane ACD, but ABC is not a plane because it is lie on a line. All 3 points lie on a line, that's why it is not a plane. Or flat surface. Plane is flat surface extends without end. So you can say in such a way, it is a flat surface, it can be extended in any direction. So it is your flat surface, or it can be extended in any direction. Or you can say upside of a flat object such as table, TV screen, mobile screen, they all are the parts of a plane. So plane is clear. In plane you need at least 3 points A, B, C. So total number of points you can say contains infinite points. So that is your plane. Now come to the next point, that is space. The set of all points in such a way, let us suppose it is a plane. ABC is a plane and here is D is a point. Then it will be the set of all points, that is space. Or it can be extended in all direction. It can be extended in all direction. Or you can say space can be this type shape. You join it, it also will be a space. It can be extended in all the direction, no boundation for space. So this way we discuss point, line, plane, space. Point, single dot. In line we need 2 points, at least 2 points. On the basis of 2 points you can draw a line. Plane 3 points. and space that set of all points. It can be extended in all the directions. Thank you.